Hello aspirants. Last time Indian history timeline 1926 to 31 Lord Irwin Viceroy വരെ നോക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ബാക്കി പോർഷൻസ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പേജ് വൈസ് പേജ് നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. ഇന്ന് ഈ പേജ് നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം 1927 to 1961. അപ്പോൾ 1927 is appointment of Simon Commission. 1928 is Simon Commission comes to India. Death of Lala Lajpat Rai following police assault. Nehru report. 1921 Bhagat Singh and Badukeshwar Dutt drops bombs in the Legislative Assembly. Congress on December 31st at Lahore declaring its objective of Pur Swaraj for India. Purna Swaraj ennaanadu. And 1930 Gandhiji's Dandi March. Civil Disobedience Movement. 1930 to 31 First Round Table Conference. And 1931 Gandhi-Irwin Pact signed Second Round Table Conference. So consecutive years 1930 to 31 First Round Table, 1931 Second Round Table, 1932 Third Round Table, and 1931 to 36 is Lord Wellington Viceroy. Also 1932 is Communal Award announced, Pune Pact signed. 1934 is Civil Disobedience Movement called off. 1935 Government of India Act. 1935 passed by British Parliament. 1936 to 44 Lord Linlithgow as Viceroy. 1937 inauguration of provincial autonomy. Congress ministries formed in 7 out of 11 provinces. 1938 Haripura session of the Congress. 1939 Second World War begins. 1940 Pakistan resolution passed by Muslim League at Lahore. 1941 Subhash Chandra Bose escapes from India. 1942 Cripps comes to India with his proposals in March. Congress rejects Cripps' proposal on 11th April. Quit India resolution passed by Congress on August 8. 1944 to 47 Lord Wavell Viceroy. 1944 INA reaches Indian soil. 1945 Labour government in Britain. INA surrenders to the British. May. First trial of INA men. November 5th. 1946 cabinet missions plans announced on June 16. 1947 to 48 Lord Mountbatten Viceroy. 1947 announcement of Lord Mountbatten's plan for partition of India on June 3rd. Indian Independence Act passed on July. Creation of Free India and Pakistan on midnight of August 14 or 15. 1947 as Dominions. 1947 to 64 Jawaharlal Nehru Prime Minister of India. 1948 assassination of Mahatma Gandhi ji on 30th January. Rajagopalachari appointed first Indian Governor General on June 21st. 1949 new Constitution of India adopted and signed on November 26th. 1950 India become a republic. New constitution comes into force on January 26th. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, first president of Indian Republic. Planning Commission was set up. And 1951 inauguration of first 5-year plan. 1952 first general election in India. National Development Council set up. Family planning is launched. 1953 conquest of Mount Everest. University Grants Commission UGC is set up. CBI is set up. Formation of Andhra Pradesh on linguistic basis. 1954 Chow En-lai, the Chinese premier, visits India. Premier means Prime Minister എന്നാണ് അവിടെ Prime Minister Premier എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. Panchashila signed between China and India. 1955 Hindu Marriage Act and Indian Citizenship Act. 1956 reorganization of Indian states on linguistic basis. Second 5-year plan launched. Nationalization of insurance companies. 1957 second general election. Introduction of decimal system of coinage. National calendar based on Saga era adopted. 1959 Dalai Lama reaches India for political asylum. Indo-Chinese relations worsen. Panchayati Raj introduced in Rajasthan. 1961 Goa, Daman and Diu liberated from Portuguese possession. Arjuna Award introduced. So ee page kuda nokam. Okay. 1962 Indo-China War. 1964 death of Jawaharlal Nehru. Lal Bahadur Shastri becomes Prime Minister. 1965 Indo-Pak War. 1966 Tashkent Declaration. Death of Lal Bahadur Shastri. Indira Gandhi becomes Prime Minister. 1969 first nationalization of 14 banks. First Dada Saheb Phalke Award was given to Devika Rani. 1971 Indo-Pak War. Birth of Bangladesh. 1972 Shimla Agreement between India and Pakistan. 1973 Project Tiger. 1974 underground nuclear explosion carried out at Pokhran, May 18th. 1975 emergency declared in the country. Aryabhatta goes to orbit. 1977 Janata Party comes to power. Vajpayee address UNO in Hindi. 1978 denomination of high value notes of 1000, rupees 5000 and rupees 10,000 demonetized. 1979 Morarji Desai resigns as Prime Minister. Charan Singh becomes Prime Minister. Death of Lok Nayak Jayaprakash Narayan. Bakra first launched. 1980 Mother Teresa gets Bharat Ratna. 6 more commercial banks nationalized. 1981 Apple was launched. First Indian Antarctic expedition to Quisim. Dakshin Gangotri, India's first permanent station at Antarctica, was set up. 1983 Bharat Ratna posthumously awarded to Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Posthumously means after death. നമ്മൾ അവാർഡ് കൊടുക്കുന്നതാണ് ഭാരത് രത്ന അവാർഡ് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. ഏത് അവാർഡാണെങ്കിലും പോസ്റ്റമസ് എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്, ആഫ്റ്റർ ഡെത്ത്. ഇൻസാറ്റ് 1B successfully launched. 1984 Rakesh Sharma becomes first Indian cosmonaut to go into space. Bachendri Pal becomes first Indian woman to scale Mount Everest. Indira Gandhi assassinated. Rajiv Gandhi sworn in as new Prime Minister. Bhopal gas tragedy. 1985 centenary celebrations of Indian National Congress held. Dronacharya Award instituted. 1986 Center and Lal Tenka signed Mizo Accord. Accord means Udambadi. 1987 Frontier Gandhi Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan given Bharat Ratna. First foreigner to get Bharat Ratna is Abdul Ghaffar Khan. He is known as Frontier Gandhi. 1988 Bharat Ratna conferred on M.G. Ramachandran. He is Tamil actor. You all know about it. Condition of Indian Army flown to Maldives to help President Abdul Qayyum. Lok Sabha passes constitutional amendment bill reducing voting age from 21st to 18 years. VP Singh sworn in as the 7th Prime Minister with Devi Lal as his deputy. 1919 Nelson Mandela honored with Bharat Ratna. VP Singh resigns after losing vote of confidence in Lok Sabha. Chandrasekhar is sworn as new Prime Minister. 1991 Rajiv Gandhi is assassinated at Sri Perumbudur in Tamil Nadu. Bharat Ratna is conferred on Morarji Desai. Rajiv Gandhi and Sardar Patel are awarded Bharat Ratna posthumously. 1992 Maulana Azad posthumously awarded Bharat Ratna. Car Sevaks demolished Babri Masjid in Ayodhya. 1993 Battle Tank Arjun inducted into Indian Army. Job quota for OBC becomes operative. Earthquake at Latur, Maharashtra. 1994 Panchayati Raj Act becomes operational. 1995 Morarji Desai dies. Bombay becomes Mumbai. 1996 Atal Bihari Vajpayee becomes Prime Minister on May 16th and resigns on May 28th. H.D. Devagowda becomes Prime Minister on June 1st. Madras becomes Chennai. So rest years